Hey guys, I'm back with another episode here. Ngiphethe a beautiful African queen, eh? So she's gonna tell you guys her name and as well as what she wanna talk about today. She's so pretty and she look a little bit shy, yes. I don't know why. So what's your name and umntana sethembisa lo bafethu. Akanda mushatile yini yabona. Uthi akashatanga, which means amachita abe great. I'm joking. I'm joking. Yeah, so what's your name and what you like us to talk about?
My name is Anam.
And now just raise your voice a little bit.
Yeah. My name is Anam.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah,
and,
sure.
I would like us to talk about having kids before marriage.
Kids before marriage.
Having kids, not having kids.
Bro, so you want people to have kids before marriage or after? What are you saying, bro?
They need to have kids after they get married.
Why? Because are you taking this from the scripture of the Bible? Are you a Christian?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, both you and I were on the same page.
Shout out.
So why ushonjala? Is it about financial wise or?
No, like there's a lot that happens, when you have a child without being in the marriage sector.
Oh, yeah. Can you just talk about that? Yeah, just go a bit further about that.
For example,
Afethu, we eating gwinyas, ngimpile. Usisamuhle kanje, udla sidla amagwinya. Yeah, you can talk.
For example, I'm a single parent.
Sure,
but
yeah.
Before I became a single parent, me and this guy were in love.
Sure. Sure.
Now we had our conflicts.
Man, how did the conflict started? Was it all about umntwana or it was just something else?
He said he was also going through my pregnancy hormones.
Bro.
Don't know how, but
is that possible?
I don't know.
Did you check that online? Have you ever asked anybody? That's crazy. That's my first time hearing about that shit.
And at that time, Beslala saw it.
Sure.
So, what cheats on him?
In 600 meters, turn left on
3
Isaac
times
Street.
before I even gave birth. Cool.
Before you even...
Yeah.
Bro, have you ever once cheated on this guy?
No. For me to move in with him, being him turned, being him turned.
That's crazy.
Because when I found out good I'm out. Peace out, y'all. I'm gone. Aviator's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, man, Mfana is showing me flames. Fine. 7 months.
Was he working? Because sometimes some other guys they panic because
Yeah, we're both working. So
was it a proper thing?
Yeah, we're both like working.
Sure.
Cool. 7 months pregnant. Okay, cool.
Hold on. This nigga, he beated you while you were pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
That's not true. Did you open a case for this guy? Did you call your parents?
No,
or
he
beat you in a way that you went to the hospital?
Yeah. That's when I packed my stuff and I went back to my mom's house. Okay, cool. He was there for the kid and stuff.
Sure.
And so we broke up. And now he started being distant and stuff. Cool.
Turn left on
So I moved to Boxburg name.
Yeah. You guys were here in Tembisa, right?
No.
Where were you?
Benoni.
Oh, in Benoni side. Yeah, I see Benoni. Yeah, I've been there.
Okay, cool. Ngamtshela ukuthi okay, njengoba ngizohlala eBoxburg mina ne. Cela ingane ihlale nawe just for those months like my shit straight.
Sure.
Cool. Hayi uthatha ingane vele. How akasafone to like update me ukuthi umntana unjani and stuff.
Sure,
like that.
yeah.
Now I must be the one behind his back. Sometimes I'll call up and do the phone. Kanti umfana une girlfriend.
And the girlfriend le ihlala nanomntana wenu noma?
You understand? I don't know, but I don't stay with them.
Bro, that's crazy.
I moved to Tembisa because
300 meters, turn left on
You need another gwinya?
No, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Bro, they are nice as shit. Let me dig in. Let me dig in again. Yeah, I'm listening.
So I moved to Tembisa with my sister.
Yeah, sure.
My sister's like, no man, Anna, go and get your kid.
Sure.
And I thought, okay, fine. It was a hustle name.
Yeah.
It was a hustle. Cool. ngamthatha ngimfake esikolweni. I'm not gonna go like into detail how I found my child.
Yeah, and I can understand Uti you went to some depth. Yeah.
You understand?
Sure.
Okay,
Turn
now I'm
left
like,
on
Papa,
Babylon Street.
wonder how you're schooling. So like, can you at least help with like school fees or email?
Man, he didn't want to support his own kid because you too.
When I put my son in school, hey, shit hit the fan.
Bro, that's something else, bro. That's
So till today, like he's never called to ask for how's the baby. You know?
you never about his son. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me also say something. There is a guy that he once said that to me. He will never take care of a child that whenever you broke up with the guy and you living with another guy, and he said he will never take care of his baby because now, which means you guys adopted the baby and he can't be. I understand that's some other sick shit that I've heard in my life, but I was like, yo, that's your own blood, dog. You have to, yeah, I understand. Even if your son is living with another man, but hey, you have to be there because at the end of the day, he's your blood. So, and another thing, amachita, they're complaining with this thing, which they uzotwondla umntwana kanti umntwana le mali akayinikeza wendlela amanye amajita abantwana nani. So when I have abantwana kini bakhona baningi okanye kanjani wena what makes you wena ngokucabanga kwakho yini eyenza this guy to be away from ingane yakhe? Is it because of you or is it because of him, and why do you think that's happening?
Honestly, I don't know, because like before he distanced himself,
sure,
we spoke about him making his debit order.
Right here. Bro, this thing is saying I must drop you here. I don't know.
I'm outside.
Yeah, and I'm also gonna wait for you to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're just gonna tell her that we must set a shop. Yeah, I know.
So we spoke about his debit order.
Yeah.
His school fees. I'm
Sure.
sending him a debit order.
Sure.
Savumelana. I can. I don't know his new girlfriend. I'm not or what, but I ain't getting
And mawukuthi bese senishadile ne. Don't you think lo mjita bekanga divorce?
He would, I think he would.
Yeah, because sithi ukhuluma ngokuthi you raise a point where ukuthi abantu bengenza abantwana bengakashada, which it's a good thing, and I follow that also too, omunye umuntu ningenza umntwana uthi nizolinda nishade nenza umntwana then divorce also, yabona. So I don't know.
Just to put it out there, women should be selfish with their wombs, because wow, men are not good people.
Yeah, ne? It's very deep. So when what can you advise the youth and people at your age and with the relationship type thing, and also financial wise, since the petrol ikhuphukile and all of that?
Advise
so when you've never learned anything to what everything in your life?
I have learned.
Yeah, so ungakhona, is that the one?
Yeah.
I think she's okay.
Yeah.
Let's just go close to it. Yini ke kulezinto osifundile ongakhona ukuthi usidlulise kwabanye abantu besifazana abafana nawe nabathi bona bafuna ukuba nabantwana abanandaba ukuthi bashadile noma bashada?
Guys, go to school.
Go to school, study, make money.
Yo.
Thank you very much. You said your name is Anna, ne? Okay, you're gonna check us on it's Josie Passenger Set. YouTube. Now, thank you very much. I really appreciate you, eh?
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Have a great day.
Thanks, mama, ne? Sure. Hey guys, nangula usis Anna uthi abantu besilisa bayahlukumezana. I don't know. I don't know why she's saying that. That's her point, or that's her own opinion, and we will never know what happened. We will never know what's really happened, but and that's the advice she can give to the youth. It's okay, you guys have to stay in school, make sure that you study, you're making the money, and maybe to get married. And mase sewushadile
on Silkbark
Mase
Street.
sewushadile, then that's where you can start making babies, eh? And hey, economy yadura man. Yo, petrol inyukile yonke into, and sithi petrol inyukile, kumbula ukuthi izinto eziningi zizonyuka. Even though zingakanyuka kwama, these magwinyas they smells nice. Even though izinto engakanyuki right now, it's still gonna kick in, and we are overpopulated. Sibaningi. The more sibabaningi, the more my prices will rise. The more the fuel prices go up, the more the magwinya will be caustic. This guinya is nice. It was only 1 rand, man. Balances the sugar. Yabazi labo mama basestratini laba baphe amagwinya amnandi. Even though kunama video ke online eswabona labo mama benza amagwinya bawenza ngenye indlela, but hey, yeah. So that's the thing that she said she can advise the youth. Just go out there, study, make the money, make sure that your life is qondile, and get married. And Master So Shatile, that's why you can make babies, right? Because you will never know. The guy that you're dating right now, maybe he's not the one for you. Yeah, but maybe he's also umchitozo balegela. Maybe bekasithintela amanzi ngobhoko. Or maybe the guy will find out that you're not the woman that she's looking for. But manje problem senize naba nomntwana ezegcine umchita ebe far away from you ngenxa ukuthi ebe far away from umntana wakhe ngenxa ukuthi nilokhunjile, ngenxa ukuthi bekangekho ready ngawo. Uncle Ukraine
Mhlekazi kunjani?
shosho ngishap vela kwivideo ngenza i-broadcast la ke ungakhuluma i-topic kade ngikhuluma nenye intombazane, so I'm just talking with Amalo kunjani abantu nje right now emakhaya ukuthi kuse what is that
Goeie môre salibona kanjani? Sisonke amena iphuze kambuji.
the pin. Yeah, sure, the pin to start the trip, bro. And you're gonna tell the people what is that thing that you're selling right there. Maybe there are people out there abafuna ukwenza abantwana. It's 8853. There we go. So Akeli, who are you and what is that? Where you from and where you living and that thing, how people they can get it?
Okay, all right.
Sure.